I'm going to make my pink peppercorn shrimp today using these pink peppercorns. They're so beautiful and florally, very tasty. Lots of lemon, some honey, and special find, these are matcha soba noodles that I found at Trader Joe's. Soba noodles are a buckwheat Japanese noodle that happens to be gluten-free. You can use any thin pasta that you want, like spaghetti, works perfectly well. So this is going to come together very quickly. I've got my pink peppercorns, I've got my honey, I've got my lemon, I've got my pasta, pink peppercorn shrimp. Let's go. You have to start by crushing these little pink peppercorns. Do it in a mortar and pestle, or you can do it in a plastic bag and bash them. All right, this is gonna go by super quick. So I have olive oil and butter in my skillet. I'm gonna add my shrimp. The shrimp are looking great. I'm gonna add some lemon zest. It's gonna be super lemony garlic. I'm gonna add some peppers, chili pepper, and then my pink peppercorns. So pretty. Then I wanna add some snow peas that I've sliced. I need my honey. Lemon. Lots of lemon. And those noodles. This is looking really good, I think. Just a little bit of fresh basil on there, just because. Oh yeah. And the pink and the green are so pretty. Let's dig into this.